By the end of today's lesson, we will review the letter sounds for the letters P, N, O, and D. We will practice their sounds, blend words, and read a short passage together. We'll also look at the word or a. Our first letter is the letter P. The letter P says P as in pot. Listen to that again. P, P. See how I put my lips together? P, 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 pot. Would you like to try? Go ahead. Very good. Again, P. Say that with me. P. Very good. The letter P says P as in pot. Our next letter is the letter N. The letter N says N in nap. N, 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 nap. Will you say the letter N sound? N. Yes, say it with me. N. Beautiful. This is the letter O. It says ah in octopus. Now look at that octopus. He's so happy. Okay? He has 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. Now, he's inside of an octagon. An octagon also has 8 sides. Did you know that octo means 8? Octopus. Octagon. Ah. Will you say that sound with me? Get ready. Ah. One more time. Ah. Very good. The letter O says ah. Now that we've reviewed our letter sounds, we're going to go over some blending. We're going to start with the letters A and N. When we blend the letters A and N together, they do not say an. They say an. Listen again. An. When A and N come together, they say an. You try. Very good. Yes, this is the word an. Say it. An by yourself. Wonderful. This is the word an. Okay? Let's sound the letters I and F out. Get ready. If. Again, if. By yourself. Very good. This is the word if. Read the word. Yes, if. Now, we know that the letter S says S, but sometimes after a vowel, it can say Z. We already talked about Z. Now we're going to look at the Z that S may say in the word I. Sound it out. Remember that this S is going to say Z. Get ready. Is. Again. Is. This is the word is. Sound it out by yourself. Yes, is. What word? Absolutely, is. Now, we talked about an saying an. If we add the letter D to the beginning of the word, it becomes a new word. Sound it out with me. D, an, Dan. Again, D, an, Dan. Notice that this D is a capital D. Although we did not go over capital D inside of our review, we use an uppercase D here because this is a name, Dan. Okay? Let's sound it out again. Get ready. D-an, Dan. This is the word Dan. Sound it out by yourself. Very good. Dan. Read it again. Yes, Dan. Okay. Now we're going to sound out the letters P-O-T. Get ready. Ot. Pot. Again. Ot. Pot. This is the word pot. Sound it out by yourself. Yes, pot. What word? Pot. Let's blend the sounds for the letters R, A, and T. Blend with me. Get ready. Rat. Rat. Again. Rat. Rat. This is the word rat. Sound it out on your own. Yes, rat. Rat. Say it with me. Rat. On your own. Yes, rat. Now, let's go ahead and blend all of those words that we just went over, and then we will say them the fast way. Okay? We're going to blend them straight across. Get ready. And, d, and, Dan. If, ot, pot, is, rat, rat. Excellent. Now we're going to read these words the fast way. I'm going to read them first. We will read them together, and then you will read them by yourself. Get ready. And, if, is, Dan, ran, pot, sat, rat. Let's read them together. Get ready. And, if, is, Dan, ran, pot, sat, rat. Now you by yourself. Get ready. Wonderful. So proud of you. We are going to look at a new high frequency word today. We're looking at the word A. Just like the word I, A is both a letter and a word if it stands alone in a sentence. The letter A has two ways that you may pronounce it. You may say A or Depending on how you like to read a sentence, you may use either one. A lot of times when people want to put extra emphasis on that A word, they will say A. But normally in the United States, in North America as a whole, we say okay? I will read the poem, remembering the A word, with both the A sound and the sound. You may choose which one you like better. Remembering the word a cat, a rat, a pig in a hat. When there is one, use the word A. I use the word A for all of the A words, okay? Now, I'm going to say for all of the us. Here we go. Remembering the word a cat, a rat, a pig in a hat. When there is one, use the word. You may choose whichever one sounds better to you. This is the word a or a. Let's pause and practice. Pause here and complete the P, N, O, and D practice pages for Unit 1, Lesson 3 of Hand and Heart Phonics. Now that you have reviewed your letter sounds and that high frequency word A or let's read together. Now, in this passage, I've included a word that you may not know. So let's go over that word very quickly. All right. This is the word the or the. The. This word is not sounded out yet. So this is how you sound it out. The. The, because TH makes the sound. So as we go through this passage, here we have the, and there we have the. There are two thes, the. Okay? We're going to read this passage sentence by sentence. After we read it sentence by sentence, we will read it together all the way through. And then I'll have you pause here and you can work on your practice page, making sure that you read your practice page 3 times and color in a star after each time you read. Let's start with the first sentence. Okay? Get ready. A cat sat on a mat. Again. A cat sat on a mat by yourself. Excellent. Next sentence. Get ready. A rat ran at the mat. Let's do that again. A rat ran at the mat. Notice we have that the word. Last time. A rat ran at the mat. You by yourself. Wonderful. Get ready. A cat ran at the rat. Again. A cat ran at the rat. By yourself. Good. Next sentence. A rat sat in a pot. Get ready. A rat sat in a pot. Let's go ahead and read the entire passage together. Get ready. A cat sat on a mat. A rat ran at the mat. A cat ran at the rat. A rat sat in a pot. One more time, and then I want you to go pause the video and read it on your own. Get ready. A cat sat on a mat. A rat ran at the mat. A cat ran at the rat. A rat sat in a pot. Pause here and go ahead and read this passage 3 times on your practice page. Now that you have read the passage 3 times, let's answer some questions. Remember that this is the word the. I'm going to reread the passage and then I will ask you some questions. A cat sat on a mat. A rat ran at the mat. A cat ran at the rat. A rat sat in a pot. What sat on the mat? A cat, a ram, a mat. What sat on the mat? Yes, a cat. Who ran at the mat? A ram, a cat, a rat. A rat is correct. Where did the rat sit? On a mat, on a map, in a pot. In a pot. Great job. All right, at this time we have come to the end of our lesson. You were able to review letter sounds, learn 2 new high-frequency words, blend those sounds together that you learned originally, read a passage, and answer questions. We are all done for now. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.